Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage. Thanks for joining me here today. I'm going to make some almond butter and some almond milk. Now it is so simple to make and almonds are great for your body. They're high in protein, vitamin E and especially monounsaturated fats, which are fantastic for a happy heart. I am going to show you how to make them, so let's get into it. Let's start with almond butter. You need about a cup of almonds. You can soak them overnight. Now, when you soak almonds, it actually makes them easier to digest and also it makes the nutrients in them easier to digest. So it is much more beneficial to soak them, but if you do not have time, just skip this step. You will need to dry them. Now, if you don't have time to just let them air dry, pop them in the oven for about 10 minutes. You're not cooking them, you just want to dry them. Use the leftover almond water for your plants. They will love you for it. When the almonds have been dried, pop them into the blender and off you go. Now, you will need to kind of pop the sides down like that and just keep going until you have butter. You'll know that it's changed into butter when it's really nice and creamy. Pop it into a jar, and I like to store it in the fridge. Let's make the almond milk. Now, a really low waste way of doing it is you still have your food processor on, get yourself a tablespoon of the almond butter and 1 cup of water. You can double or triple this mixture if you like. Whiz it all up and you'll know it's ready because it's all mixed in. And you have got yourself 1 glass of nutritious milk. You will need to give it a little stir because bits of the almonds will settle at the bottom. There is nothing like putting almond butter on some homemade bread. I like to toast it up. Never can have too much almond butter. And then if you want to put some bananas, almond butter and bananas go great together. A great thing to do with the milk, 1 cup of milk to 1 cup of oats is basically bircher. And what you do is do it the night before. When all the oats are in, you can give it a mix. You can add anything you like, seeds, more nuts. I'm just adding here some goji berries I had and some bananas. Give it a mix. And all you need to do is then leave that in the fridge and enjoy that the following morning for breakfast. There you have it. Really simple. There's absolutely no waste in this. You've got your nut butter, you've got your milk. It is so simple to make the milk and you're getting loads and loads of nutrition. So thank you very much for watching today. Leave me any comments down below, like it if you did, and share it with anyone. And remember to pop over to Instagram and say hi to me over there. And thanks for watching. Bye and see you next week.